Welcome back to part 2 of our introduction to 4-Skills study. In this video, I'm going to show you the 2 training areas. I'll introduce you to the training coach. I'll show you how to insert your target score, take the first entry test, and finally study your unique training plan. When you log in, you will be taken to this screen. As you can see, there are 2 training areas. On the left, we have the reading and the listening training area, and on the right, the speaking and writing training area. Let's start by taking a look at the reading and listening training area first. Click on Enter the Training Area. When you first log in to 4-Skills Study, you will be immediately taken to the training coach advice. This consists of 9 pages, which will show you how to use and to study effectively with 4-Skills Study. When you have completed reading through these pages, you will be automatically redirected back to the training coach. The first thing we have to do is to insert our target score. The target score is the TOEIC score that you would like to achieve, or the competency that's been set by your company. To change the score, double-click on Target Score and scroll down, and you will see the area that we can change our target score. I'm going to change my target score to 750. Click Push to tell me. And as you can see, we now have a target score of 750 points. Once this has been done, go up to the navigation bar and click Entry Test. The entry test is a mini TOEIC test. This test will take 45 minutes and it has 84 questions. When you're ready, click on Start the Test. In the top right, you will see the time counter. And when you're ready, click Play Audio to start question number 1. When you've answered question number 1, click on Next Question to take you to question number 2. When you've completed your test, you will be redirected back to the training coach. Your test score will appear here in the first entry test box. As you can see, our first entry test was 324, and our target score is 750. This means we have a lot of studying to do. When you've completed your entry test, 4-Skills Study will generate a unique training plan for you. If you scroll down, you will see the entry test results, strengths, and weaknesses. These results are always based upon the last entry test that you did. From my last entry test, you can see my listening skill is strong, but my reading skill is average. We can also measure all the areas of the TOEIC test, weak, average, or strong. And below that, we can see our approximate TOEIC score. In this case, our reading comprehension is 313, our listening is 384, and our total TOEIC score is approximately 697. When you complete your entry test, 4-Skills Study will generate your unique training plan. Your training plan comes in 2 parts. Part 1 is preparation exercises for the TOEIC test. And here you will have a series of exercises based upon the weaknesses of your entry test results. You can click on any area and you will be taken into a series of exercises to study. In this case, incomplete sentences. And you'll have your question. Please answer the question and move on. There are 10 questions, and at the end of the 10 questions, you will receive answers and feedback. Let's go back to our training plan. Part 2 of our training plan will be English development exercises that will focus on building your grammar and your vocabulary skills. You can see a list of exercises here. Click on any exercise, for example, modal verbs. On the right, you will see the study box. Please study the language in this box. And when you're ready, go ahead and answer the 10 questions. Again, at the end of the exercise, you will receive feedback and the correct answers. So, now we know that we have two training areas, the listening and the reading, and the speaking and writing areas. We know how to insert our target score, how to take the first entry test, how to review the results, strengths and weaknesses of our entry tests, and how to use the two parts of our unique training plan. So at this point, you can go ahead and start to study with 4Skills Study. Thank you very much, and I will see you in part 3.